So hello everyone. Today we will learn the functions in a Python. So let's start. Okay, functions. Function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. It means we are having the bunch of code in a function, but it cannot be executed. Why? Because it is not called. If only we called, then only that code will be executed. We will learn this in a practical way. So second is we can pass parameters or arguments in a function. Yeah, we can pass multiple arguments or parameters in a function. Next, function can return data as a result. Yeah, we want good results against of the our values or against of the our data, like business values they are mentioned there, and we can take a good results. So syntax is like diff function name like this, and return a body. So here is the function name. This is used for the call the functions. Oh, this is the our syntax. We can look the example. Next example, like we are having one div function, my function name. In that we print here hello ram. So we are calling my function. Output will be the hello ram because we are print only there the hello ram. That's why output will come in a hello ram. So next example with passing arguments or parameters in a function. So we will take here diff. Always function start with the diff. So here we put the function name is name, and parameter or argument name is name also. So we type here print string in a string hello, and concat with the variable name is name. So here we can call that function with the passing argument, like name we are passing argument is one string is ram. Again we are passing name, string is om. Okay, output will be hello ram, hello om, because we already passed the values in that function. That's why they are giving us the same values, right? Okay, we will learn next example. Pass the default parameter in a function. So what is the meaning of default parameter? First of all, suppose I have the some values, I am passing some arguments in a function, but sometimes I don't have any values to pass in a argument as a function in a function. So that time I need a default, something default like abc or something. So here we can check the one example, like we are taken here div and city function name, and name is equals to Mumbai. Is equals to Mumbai is a default value, okay, against of the name. So we can print here my city concat with the name is like this. So city Thane, city Pune, and city is blank. We are passing the calling the blank function also. So first city function we can call with the argument is Thane, string we are passing Thane. Again city string passing the Pune. So output will be the my city is Thane, my city is Pune, my city is Mumbai. Why Mumbai is came here? Because of the we are called only function without passing the argument or values. That's why we are mentioning here the by default it's coming the Mumbai. So it's pretty easy to learn default parameter. So next example for arbitrary argument. So it means we are having the bunch of arguments, but we don't know how many arguments user passing. We don't know how many arguments developer passing. We don't know, no? Suppose sometimes they passing 2, sometimes they passing 4, sometimes they passing 1 only. Then how can we manage? So here is the way the Python is give us, like diff employee, I am taking function name is employee, and star data. Whenever we type the star, it means it will be the passing the multiple arguments, okay, or it will be the passing the any number of arguments. So we can check here, print my name concat with the data, and we are putting here index 0. It means it's come in a array format, right? That's why it here we put the 0 and concat, and we are putting here I love in plus again concat data 1. So 1 means we are having the two arguments. Okay, we are taking right now two arguments. You can take a 3 or 4 or 5 something, depends upon your requirement. You can take that one. So here we are calling the employee function with the passing two arguments. One is Ram, second is Mumbai in a string format. Second, again we are passing employee Om and Pune. Then output will be the my name Ram, I love in Mumbai. My name Om, I love in Pune. So this way to call the arbitrary arguments. I think so you understood this one. So we can check this more detail in a coding also. Next. Oh, let's start the coding. So we can start with the default function. So let's start. We can type here diff and name, not default function, only function. So name, and we can print here, print hello Ram, because I love the Ram, that's why I'm taking always Ram. And we can call here like function name only, that's all. So simple, so we can type here python main.py, and output will be the hello Ram. So simple. This is the way to call the function and write the function. So next we can type here, like again I rub the code. You always do the rub the code and do writing new freshly, because it's very good practice. That's why I always do that one. Diff, and we take here like name, function name is name, and we can pass here name argument or parameter, whatever you can call, and we can type here print and pass here like hello and concat that one with the name. So simple. And we can call that function like name, and we pass just here Ram, and again name, we can pass just here Om. So simple, and save it and call it like python main.py, and look here the output is hello Ram and hello Om. So here is not space, so we can give the space here, and we can call again similar way. So here come the space like hello Ram, hello Om. So this is the way to pass the argument in a function. So next we can check the default argument now. Diff city, and that city is having the name, so we can take a name, and Mumbai we can take. So pretty nice. And we can print here, print, and type here my city is concat with the name, okay. And we can call these functions city, oh city, right. And first we can give the Pune, second we give nothing, empty, we can just call the empty. So we can check what happened. So we can type here like python main.py and call here. Yeah, here the default value is come Mumbai. So this is the way to write down the default arguments, right? Or we can mention the defaults values in an argument or variables against of the variables. So it is pretty cool. So next we can check the arbitrary function, like we can give the div, give the here function name emp, employees data we want, that's why, and we can take a star and data. So simple. And we can print here, print like employee name, my name is, and we can concat here with the data 0, and again we can concat here and give the my space we want to give my city is, I love, no, we can give my name is and I love the city name. So data we can give the, and we can pass here 1. So simple. And we can call this function like emp, and we can pass here arguments, like we can pass the arguments here Ram and city is Mumbai, and MP we can give here Om, and we can give the city is Pune. So simple. This is the way to call the arbitrary functions. So we can type here again python main.py. Yep, here is the showing the good results, like my name is Ram, I love Mumbai. My name is Om, I love Pune. So this is the way to call the unserialized or unmentioned fixed arguments. We can call random arguments, we can call in here like 1 or 2 or 3 or multiple arguments we can call. So this is the way to calling the functions in a PHP. So keep enjoying, do the fun with the Python. So thanks for watching.